Introducing Coburn Technologies' newest generation of semi-automatic hard coating systems, the Velocity TT Spin Coater. The latest in our proud history of continual innovation since 1954, the Velocity TT Spin Coater is the optimal machine for UV Cure lens coating. The Velocity's compact design requires a minimal amount of space, making it compatible with laboratories of all sizes. Equipped with the latest generation of components, the Velocity TT Spin Coater represents the culmination of over 70 years of research and process development for spin coating. The Velocity TT Spin Coater promotes efficiency with its ability to load a pair of lenses simultaneously. Under the hood, the Velocity TT Spin Coater features brushless DC spin motors with digital feedback loop. This enables consistent spin speeds vital for uniform coating thickness, all with no calibration required. Twice as efficient as single-load machines, the Velocity's set and forget functionality frees up operators to perform other productive tasks during the coating cycle. And finally, to empower operators with the choice to use the configuration that best serves their needs, the Velocity Spin Coater supports solvent-based and solvent-free coatings. Solvent-free or 100% solids processes 2 lenses in 2 minutes, and solvent-based processes 2 lenses in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. All of this, combined with best-in-class coatings featuring unparalleled adhesion to high-index materials and excellent compatibility with anti-reflective coatings, the Velocity TT Spin Coater raises the level of quality of spin coating offered by laboratories. Highly adaptive, amazingly efficient, and with a vast range of coating options, the Velocity TT Spin Coater delivers incredible utility. To learn more about high-performance coating and equipment, visit CoburnTechnologies.com.